It's raining hard. And this little boy is still watching cell phone. It's raining hard. But it's fun. And it's warm. It's not cold. Very dark. There's mommy! Why are you so busy, mommy? Good morning, Tiana. Hello. This way. Tiana.
Hindi ko damay. Awanted paray. Takakamot sila.
That's it.
Primang tayo ni Sister Mercy mo. 120 niya.
Tiana.
130 pa.
Tagaming kalabas ka dito ah. Hope.
Let's eat dinner time again. Cooking pork chop by Sister Merciful. With our rice. Hurry up, hurry up. And there's another guy there. Wi-Fi gamin. Wi-Fi. Kaya yan, nandoon. Nakiki-Wi-Fi. Yeah! No, 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 no. So tilan na dyan may isa dyan. What? What's wrong? Go help Matty. Go help Matty. Uh-oh. Go help Matty. Help. Yeah. Stop. Go help.
Inside, the driver on the bus is looking good.
You love that song?
All over the town.
What's your favorite song?
Your favorite
Driver
song?
on the bus go beep,
Doon na ni.
beep, 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 beep. Bus on the go beep.
What?
beep,
The bus
beep.
on the bus. Beep, beep, beep. Come on.
Bop,
The bus
beep,
on the bus.
beep.
Natakang kansyonan na nga si
The wipers in the bus go swish, swish, swish. Yeah. You like it?
She doesn't
The
look too
doors in
pleased.
the bus go open and shut. No? Very attentive. No?
The door on the bus go close, open,
Okay.
close, open, close, open. The door
Open
on
and
the
shut.
bus and close, open, open, close, open. You know this?
No.
Close, open.
Eating time again. Dinner time. Kain tayo.
No, where's the other one? The other one, the small
Munggo
one.
at pork. The doors and the bus go open and shut. Open and shut. Open and shut. The wheels. What's next? The hung on the bus go beep.
The
beep,
horn.
Beep. The horn. The horn on the bus go beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep. Oh, to the town. Beep beep beep.
The Hong Kong.
The drivers on the bus say, what's it? Huh? What's the drivers?
Mommy, mommy.
The drivers on the bus. Ano yung drivers on the bus? The driver on the bus say,
Where are you going?
Ni, nagaduso mo sampun niyo.
I'm singing it again.
One fell down and
Huwag ka
one fell down and what?
Oh no.
Bumped his head, her head. And the mama said,
Mommy called the doctor,
and doctor said, no more Kiara jumping on the couch.
The couch. I thought it was the lap.
One little Kiara jumping on my lap. And then Kiara bumped her head and mama called the doctor and doctor said, no more Kiara jumping on your lap, lap, lap. Nay!
Nay.
It's raining!
No, it's snowing.
It's raining, but it's
It won't ruin
we're
our
having
camping
fun.
vibe.
We are outside under the tarp. Tarpaulin. It's fun.